You got me.
More.
Woo. Cold. Cold. Ah! You want to hold it? That's too cold, huh? Look, well, watch Daddy. Ready?
Oh.
Woo! Too much? That's all right. It's just a little cold. Good job. You put it on your head. Mommy sleeping? You almost fell. I watched it. All right, ready? Just do your head. Whoa! You want the hose again? You want the cold water?
No.
You want cold water? Can I wash your face? My head? Oh, you soaked me. You soaked me. Oh, thank you. I don't need to wash your face. More soap? Should we get some more soap?
No.
Can you put some on your belly? Put some on your belly. All right, here we go. Ready? Look, see the soap. I'm gonna rub it together. And we're gonna rub it on your belly. Ready? Belly. Shoulder, elbow, armpit. I'll keep that face real quick. I got you. There you go. It's all gone. All gone? It's all gone. All gone? You look at it, you should over there and dry it. All right. There we go. Look at that. Good girl. You ready? Close your eyes a little bit. Close your eyes. I want to try to get that soap out. On my head? Oh. You want to get the soap out of your eye? Okay, you want to step down further? Okay, you want to step down further? Okay. Put your feet down. Can you touch? There you go. Oh, look at that, huh? You're all the way in. You're all the way in. Can you put your feet down? Can you stand? Look at that. That's perfect, right up to your neck. Where are you going, Missy?
Swimming.
Kick. Should we put some shampoo in your hair? What's wrong? Stuck. You're not stuck. I got you. Hey! Wait, say hi to Pop. Say hi to Pop.
You like that, don't you?
You gotta be careful, the surface isn't level. Oh. I'll get it for you. Whoa.
Ooh.
Oh, you're getting your blueberry all over your new dress. Keep it on, please. You're ruining your new dress, though. Madison, you're ruining your new dress. Can you keep it on?
No.
You can't ride a choo-choo train with a dirty dress.
Hey.
Can you put it on your neck?
No.
Can you wipe your hands then?
God bless you. You want to see Pop? Look at Pop. Say hey, Pop.
Look, I'm sitting up.
More cheese. More cheese.
More cheese.
More cheese.
Or you want more muffin?
Picture. She wants a picture.
Oh, she wants to eat cheese. Wow, this is a familiar situation.
It is.
Wow. You were filming Kennedy and she was not happy.
I identify with you.
Rachel knows.
Rachel, your soulmate, Kennedy.
More cheese. More
Hey. As soon as she comes out, you're going back in the room. Hey, I'm getting ready. Don't you want a muffin?
Yeah.
I have one. Kennedy, did you? Awkward.
It gets worse. It never stops getting worse.
It just gets worse and worse.
Hey, Pop. Woo!
This is what happens when you put blueberries in. They just fall apart.
Well, tough luck.
Hot, hot. Good.
Really hot.
You still want to see those red cups? Yes. Could you put your name on it so it can be used more than once as a purpose of it? Okay.
Oh, Gesundheit.
Bless you, see?
Where are the cups?
There you go. Madison, wave to Pop.
Madison.
Hot? Still hot? Just wait a second.